So, ultra simple trap trigger using just a couple of sticks I found on the floor. I'll set it up and then I'll bring the camera a bit closer and show you. Bait obviously goes on the end of that one. There's a gap underneath. You always cut that a bit shorter. So when you set it up, you want to try and get this one either on the outside of your deadfall weight or like this, you know, near enough at the end. If you have this further under, what can happen is when the trap goes off, all it does is just ends up sitting on top of that one. So bait on the end there, so it goes off quite easily. Obviously easy to make because you only need a couple of sticks. This one's got a slight curve on it, it does seem to help a bit. You could put this to a point, and that's the one with your bait goes on. Right, it's a really simple one. Build the sides up as well, you know, put sticks on the sides so the animal can only go in one way. Alright, cheers for watching. See you later.